human capital. Next B, yes, the answer is working capital. So what will be the answer? Option C, working capital. Okay, that's fine. Okay, next. What is done to surplus wheat in Palampur? Option A, sold in the market. B, destroyed. C, stock by self. And D, given in charity. Okay. Yes. So option A, sold in a market. Okay. Next. Next is, where do most of the small farmers borrow money to arrange for the capital in the Palampur? Let's see option. Banks. B, cooperative societies. Next, C, village money lenders. Next, D, friends and relatives. Okay, yes, money lenders. Option C. Okay. Yes, option C. Village moneylenders. Okay. So I wrap these questions and we shift to our next question. Which is the most abundant factor of production in India? So let's see option. Okay. So option will be which is the most abundant factor of production in India? Abundant factor. Why it is capital? Not, I'm not telling about the scarce factor, I'm telling abundant factor. Try it properly. Okay. We already seen that land and capital are the scarce factor in India. Factors of production, scarce factors of production. It will be the labor. It will be labor. Labor is the most abundant factor of production in India. Land and capital are the scarce factor of production in India. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay, all of you, can you hear me? Students, can you hear me? I'm audible to you? Okay. Okay, I repeat this one. I said labor is the abundant factor of production in India. Land and capital both are the scarce factor because land is one natural resources, okay, which is limited. We can't extend the limitation of land, okay, and also capital is one of the scarce factors of India of the production process, okay. Okay, so next question. Can I wrap this? Next, a farmer who works on a piece of less than 2 hectare of land is treated as option A, small farmer, B, medium farmer, C, large farmer, and D, none of this. So students, what will be the answer? Yes, there is a poor network connection, that's why you can't see me. Okay, you can't see to me, that's why. All of you hear me, no? Yes, right. The answer will be option A, small farmer, because we already read this one. A farmer who works on a piece of less than 2 hectare of land is treated as small farmers. Okay. Okay. Next questions. The concept of Green Revolution was associated with use of option A, chemical fertilizers, option B, pesticides, option C, HYV seeds, option D, all of these. So the concept of Green Revolution associated with the use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, HYV seeds, all of this. No, it's not only option C, HYV seeds, because we already learned in 1960 India was introduced the Green Revolution basically in western part of the Uttar Pradesh. So they introduced Green Revolution with the modern farming with advanced technology, using of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides. So these are, yes, Somnath, Shamrat, all of this. Okay. Next. Next question. farming activities. Option A, dairy. B, transporting. C, shopkeeping. D, all of this. Okay, yes, very good. The answer will be all of this. Yes, Rajanna, Amrita, the answer will be all of this, because these all are, we see, we already seen in the Palampur, these all are the non-farming activities of or in the Palampur. Okay, yes, it's okay. So next question is, which is the main source of earning money in the village Palampur? Very easy. So let's see options. A, transporting. B, dairy. Option C, farming. Option D, shopkeeping. So answer will be, yes, farming. Option C, farming. Okay. So the next question, multiple cropping. Multiple cropping refers to, option A, cultivation of rice and wheat. Next, option B, cultivation of two crops in alternative rows. Next, C, cultivating more than one crop on the same field each year. option D, cultivating crops and rearing animals on the same field. Okay, so all of you know that the definition of multiple cropping is there is a 4 option: cultivation of rice and wheat, cultivation of 2 crops in alternative rows, cultivating more than 1 crop on the same field each year, cultivating option D, cultivating crops and rearing animals on the same field. So the option will be C. Yes, yes, all are correct. Very good. Okay, let's see the next one. The concept of white revolution is associated with option A, sugar cane, option B, cotton, option C, milk, and option D, rice. So what will be the answer? Revolution. Have you heard this term? White revolution. This started in Gujarat. White revolution. And it started with Amul. Yes, tell me the answer. Yes, milk. Option C. Yes, Ronit. Very good. It will be option C, milk. Okay. Next. Number 12. Of the following is used in modern farming method? Chemical fertilizers, then B, HYV seeds, C, both, D, none of this. Very easy. Yes, option C, answer both. Answer will be both, option C. Okay, very good. Okay, now the next one. Okay, next capital. So A, tools, B, cash, C, furniture, D, machine. So what will be the answer? Cash. Yes, cash is one example of working capital. Next question. Which one of the following inputs is not working capital? Option A, machine. B, raw materials. C, money. D, none of this. So student, what will be the answer? Machine. Yes, machine is not under the working capital, because machine is one of the example of a fixed capital, okay. So these are some example. This type of question will come in your exam. So from the first chapter, students, have you any problem, any queries? So ask me. Only this chapter will come, the story of village Palampur. Okay, see in your NCERT book, page number 9. No, not only these answers will come, that type of questions will come. So in every page from your first chapter, read very minutely, okay? Every line question may be, okay, see in page number 9 in your NCERT book, see in the lower part, see the story so far. There is one fill in the blanks given. Okay, so see, in contrast to labor, dash is a scarce factor of production. So what will be the answer? In contrast to labor, dash is a scarce factor of production. Okay, this one will capital, okay? In contrast to labor, capital is a scarce factor of production. Cultivated land area is dash. Cultivated land area is limited. Moreover, even the existing land is distributed unequally, because we seen in Palampur there are unequal distribution of land among the farmers. Okay, everyone can listen to me. Just write down in your book by pencil, okay? Moreover, even the existing land is distributed unequally among the people engaged in farming. There are a large number of small farmers who cultivate small plots of land and live in conditions not much better than the landless farm laborer. To make the maximum use of existing land, farmers use what will be there? Multiple cropping and modern farming method. Both multiple farming and modern farming method. Both these have led to increase in production of crops. Okay. Next, modern farming method requires a great deal of, yes Nafisha? Modern farming method requires a great deal of, yes, money or capital. Okay. Okay. So next day the rest of the part I will discuss. Okay. So if you have any problem, type your question is BMS e-portal chat box. So next day I will discuss another more questions. So student, for today I will stop here. Thank you.